In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the primary email on LinkedIn. So once you're logged in, go to Me in the top right hand corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. From here, you then need to go to Sign In and Security, and here you'll see your current email address. If you go ahead and click on that, you can see you've got an email address which will be your primary email. If you wanted to add a new email and make it the primary, first we'll start by adding the email. So click Add New Email Address, and then you have to verify that you own your account. After you've done that, you can then enter in a new email address. So I'm going to do that now and then enter in your password. So once you've entered that email and you've entered your password, it will then say we can't use this email for your account until you verify it. And now you need to go into your Gmail and verify it. So here I am in my Gmail account. We've got the email from LinkedIn just confirming that we've added a new email. So we'll click on this link and it will just accept that confirmation. So here I am in my email. We've got an email from LinkedIn just confirming that we've added an email to the LinkedIn account. You can click on this and it will take you to this window where it will prompt you again to sign back in. So after you've confirmed that and you've relogged into your account, you'll see in the primary email, you've got your email and a secondary email as well. You can go ahead and make your secondary email the primary one and enter in your password again. So now this email is the primary one. We can go ahead and remove any other emails that may be associated with the account. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped you out.